a very good morning to all of you. As I begin, it's a pleasure to introduce myself. I am Zainab Rasool from class 8 and I am here today because I believe in the power of words and ideas and I am excited to share my thoughts on social media. In this age of relentless connectivity, social media has emerged as the most influential invention of our time. A digital revolution that has redefined how humanity communicates, dreams, and even perceives reality. With just a tap of a finger, the world collapses into the palm of our hand. Distances vanish, voices echo across continents, even ideas ignite revolutions. But let us pause and ask ourselves, has this tool of liberation silently become a chain of confinement? Social media, once celebrated as the voice of the voiceless, is now a battlefield of vanity, comparison, and illusion. It has blurred the lines between authenticity and artificiality, between influence and manipulation. In our pursuit of likes, shares, and followers, we have perhaps lost something that is infinitely more precious, our inner voice. Today, the metrics of validation are no longer wisdom, character, or compassion. They are just digital digits. The glow of the screen has replaced the warmth of human connection. We have millions of friends online, yet loneliness stalks our mind like a shadow at noon. Social media can enlighten, but it can also enslave. It can educate, but it can also deceive. It can connect, but it can just as easily corrupt. The same platform that empowers truth also amplifies falsehood. The same network that builds bridges can also separate hatred at lightning speed. The real challenge before us is not to abandon social media, but to reclaim mastery over it. Let us use it as a tool, not become its tool. Let us post with purpose, comment with conscience, and scroll with awareness. The future belongs to those who can balance the power of technology with the wisdom of humanity. So I say to you, let social media not be the mirror that distorts our reflection, but the window that opens our vision. Let us not be slave to the algorithm, but architects of integrity in the digital age. In the end, the power of social media lies not in its course, but in our character. Thank you for listening me carefully and have a glorious day.